Hi guys, welcome back. Here's how you can loop a video or a sequence of your editing project in Premiere Pro. So when a video is played, it doesn't repeat, it just stops there. So what if you want to repeat the video all over and over again from start to end, and then it gets repeated from the start to end? To do this, click on the plus symbol, and then afterwards drag this, which is called the loop playback icon. Drag it here and then click on OK. Turn it on by clicking on this one, and then when you play the video, let's see what happens. The video should be repeated from the start. See that? Now the video is being looped or repeated endlessly, just like this. So whenever you want to enjoy a video that has these mesmerizing elements in it, just like lights or people dancing to a DJ, just like in this video, this loop playback option is here for you. Or if you want to repeat your editing project, this would also work. That's how you can repeat or loop a video in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a comment. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.